get some muffins in here. It looks so good, huh? You want muffin, Pipa?
They're all the same though, right?
Pipa, you want muffin?
So you want this one?
Yeah, huh? Oh man, that makes me hungry in here. Right, Fifi? This is oatmeal raisins.
Oh yeah.
Yan, okay na yung assorted. Yeah, assorted, okay. So we have choice. Ito kami sa SM guys. Oh, si Pipi. Oh, Pi. It's pretty big in here. Bold, dark, and handsome, ha? Old school brew.
Old school brew.
Okay.
Small thing.
Small here. That's good, huh? It's a rainbow color, huh?
I want to see it. No.
So this one? What's the age thing? It doesn't say the age of this activity.
Baba ka para makapili ka, nak.
Oh, look, it has over 100 stickers. What do you want? This one? Or this one?
That would be nice if we have that in the yard, ha, Pipa? That's cool, huh? Everything you need in here.
You see, this is dressing. There's Italian
Dressing.
See, this is probably the best dressing right here. Yeah.
Italian. What you got there, Pipa?
This one first. This is chicken. That's tortilla right there. The big ass tuna is right there. Here's the shield.
I have fruits in here, so I show you this.
Oh, they have the yellow watermelon.
Now what we
Get this
got?
one, maybe just a half. Can I get you this
gonna pay na.
Gali off them. Yeah, I got these right here. You can't find. Pepe. What do you got there? What flavor is that? Oh, that's cotton candy. That's cotton candy. Is it good?